Ensure the front label is facing toward the front of the cabinet. Place a board across 2 stepladders. Ensure the digital display on the cooling unit is facing away from the cabinet. Then lift and place the cooling unit onto the board. Climb the ladders, then lift the unit off the board and gently place the cooling unit into the opening atop the cabinet. After the cooling unit is in place, install the crown molding by slotting it firmly along the top. Plug the exterior power cord into a surge protector, then plug the surge protector into an outlet. The outlet must be wired to a dedicated 15 amp circuit. View our product detail page for more information. Inside the cabinet, plug in the cooling unit's power cord, bottle probe jack plug, and light cord into the receptacles on the right side of the unit. Use the provided remote control to adjust lighting. To set up the bottle probe, fill an empty wine bottle with a solution of 75% water and 25% rubbing alcohol. Inside the cabinet, insert the bottle probe into the prepared wine bottle by pushing at least 2/3 of the probe into the bottle until the stopper seals against the bottle. Place the bottle probe horizontally in the racks. This will connect the bottle probe to the cabinet. On the face of the cooling unit, press the power button to turn on the unit. There's a 3-minute delay before the unit turns on. Once the unit starts running, the HY setting must be changed to 1. To change the HY setting, press the Set button and the Down button together at the same time and hold for 3 seconds. Then use the Up button to scroll until HY is displayed on the screen. Then press the Set button. Use the Down button to change the value to 1. Press the Set button again to accept the input. You can adjust the temperature set point by pressing and holding the Set Point button for 3 seconds. Then adjust the temperature up or down, and press the Set button again to accept the input. Close the doors and let the cooling unit run for an hour. Then load the wine bottles in the cellar. It may take up to a week for the temperature of the liquids inside your cellar to reach the set point and start cycling on and off. If any questions come up, don't hesitate to contact IWA support.